Matt here with Bobcat Bonsai, and today we're going to do an unboxing of a new little tree I got from Hertz Gardens. I like these little guys, but I'm going to let you enjoy the surprise. It's going to be a super quick one today. Check it out. Just get a little bit of a stab here and here because I don't know where the top is. I don't know where the bottom is. I don't know much of anything with it, and I don't want to damage it. So I think we put enough incisions in random places that we'll be able to figure this out. We guessed right. We found the bottom. Let's check it out. Very nice. It was sent with a little heat pack in here, so that is always very great to have. Says for small pet shipping. So I'm sure at this point you can guess that it is not a tree native to my area because it had a little heat pack. Yes, I'm inside my greenhouse right now doing this video, but this tree will have to go inside under some grow lights for a little while. We pull it out here. It's nice and wrapped up all through. Now we just gotta get this open. Alright, got that little part off here. So the big thing now is letting it begin to open back up again because it really closed itself off here. Going through this whole transport. Can you guess what it is? It is a Brazilian rain tree. I just really wanted to have another one of these little guys. I had some before, and I learned some mistakes from them, and now I have them again. So, here's my new little tree, and it's a nice little pot. Getting ready to go inside the house, and begin to grow for a little bit. Once we get a little bit further into spring and whatnot, we'll go ahead and get this potted up into a bigger pot to really develop a larger root system here. And I think that we'll end up with a lot of good stuff. Alright. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you enjoy my content, you should subscribe to my channel. And if you really enjoy my content, you should hit the bell notification so you get notified every time I release a new video. Thank you.